I am an online marketer. I wanted to let you know about being available to help your business online. I do info videos that include avatar, kinetic, and whiteboard. Avatar is a video with a cartoon, almost human-like character. Kinetic is a video with a photo background and text. Whiteboard is a hand-drawn style of words and characters. I would like to help your business promote via info videos. We do some of the following: pull keywords, search your competition, geotag your location, and much more. Our prices start for as little as $150 for a 30-second video. Feel free to contact us, James at jjmediaonline.net, or go to our website, jjmediaonline.net. We can do a free sample video for your business also.